I'm Dave Rakowskis, president of Colonial Saw. I'm standing here with Kelly Baird, who runs the shop at Utah Valley University here in the Salt Lake City area. Kelly, how long have you been in charge here?
Well, I've been here for 27 years. Taught high school woodshop for 13 before that, so it's been 40 years.
And where do you learn about new machinery and try to stay current?
We try to go to all the national shows. AWF show in Vegas, and once or twice we've been to Atlanta, and we also have some great reps that come out here. One of them's Colonial Saw.
And where did you learn about, like, you have a STRIEBIG saw standing behind us? Is that, you see that at Vegas? One of the Vegas shows in Anaheim?
We were debating on that or to go with a Holter.
Right, we're glad you chose us.
We went with STRIEBIG and I've really enjoyed it. It's been a great machine. I would bet 85% of the time when we're cutting panel stock, we use our panel saw. It's just a smaller footprint, of course, but it's also easier to load the sheet stock on there and run the saw rather than having to load on a slider and run our material through there. It's just heavier, it's more awkward. Of course, the footprint's a lot bigger on that. Safety-wise, too. I mean, that's like running a table saw. It doesn't have that nice hot dog attachment on there that shuts off, you know, if you get your finger in there. Whereas this saw, a lot safer and quite frankly, too, I think we get a better cut here.
Thank you. Yeah, you have some nice machinery in here. Utah Valley is one of the better schools in the whole country for the college level training.
Trades is a big part of Utah Valley University. It's a dual mission school, and so we have been involved with Skills USA ever since Skills USA started.
Yeah, I saw you have a ton of Skills USA banners up on the wall. Now you have a national champion.
Yeah, we've had quite a few of those. It's been really a great place to work.
Well, we appreciate the industry needs more people like you and programs like you. It's so important, and we want to make sure that we educate the kids on the woodworking industry and that it's a good profession, that there's computers. You have a bunch of CNC machines in here. You have European equipment. You're well equipped, and it's good for the kids to be able to see that. Thank you, Kelly.
Thanks again, Dave.
Congratulations.
Thank you.